How to redeem YouTube Premium code. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm sure to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to redeem your YouTube Premium code, simply first of all launch any browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome. And then tap on the search bar and search for YouTube Premium over here. Now as you search for YouTube Premium, it will take us to this new page where you'll be able to see all the YouTube Premium packages that you have on your device that is available for you. So you can select whichever YouTube Premium that you'd want. And as you can see, there's no option to redeem the code. So for this process, what I have to simply do over here is get back to the Chrome and then tap on the URL and search for youtube.com/redeem. Now when you search for this URL, you'll be able to see it takes us to a new page altogether. So here you just need to enter your code and just enter code box over here. So when you enter the code over here and then you tap on next, that's how you'll be able to get your premium code and you can redeem your premium code of your YouTube. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.